When you think about reviewing Adserea, you got to think about three things. You got to think about effectiveness, you got to think about affordability, and availability. So what is Adserea? Let's just start with that. The thing is, Adserea is a one-stop solution for dropshippers. And by using it, you get access to everything you need to start and run a lucrative dropshipping business. So finding winning products, ad copy, converting advertising, content product descriptions, one-click product import, and insights and new resources. So basically what we love is that we love the all-in-one solution here. So for every niche, you have about everything you need. Like you have everything you need to actually launch and maintain a very successful dropshipping business. Okay, and so if you use the Adserea tool, you have to be very careful about granularity. They offer like incredible details. It's just fantastic. And the thing is that you have like a launch ready descriptions for every product that you want to actually launch. You have a video advertisement content. You have a targeting ad content, competition statistics, trend analytics, as well as ready to import to Shopify files. So the bottom line here is that if you want to go with Adserea, you have the whole 9 years to cover. You cover the whole gamut, and this is really great. And so Adserea also helps you find trending products on TikTok and sell them on your dropshipping store. Something that like if you were to think, for example, about other players like AdSpy, for example, AdSpy doesn't do that. AdSpy really focuses on Facebook and Instagram, nothing else. So when you think about Adserea, in our view, it is really worth it. Yes, it is a legit company. They've been in existence for a while now, so it is worth it. And the only thing you need to and they also have a free trial though. Yes. So Adserea offers a free trial. However, it has limited access to its tools. So if you want to use them fully, you should subscribe. You should just pay. You should just pay for a plan. And so they do actually provide refunds very rarely. So be very careful here. They generally do not provide refunds due to the nature of their goods or services. However, you may cancel your membership at any moment, not a problem at all. So overall, this is Adserea is a legit tool. It is not a scam. It's a legit company, but you just have to be careful about what you sign up for, because they do not give you your money back. I mean, they do not refund you. Okay, you can cancel if you want to, but you're not getting the money back. So when you think about the main features of Adserea Adserea, you have to think about the fact that they have a constellation of features. First, you have the daily winning products. They have the winning product analytics, the handpicked winning products. They have the live product spy, a store finder, store analyzer, and an audience builder. Let me dig a little deeper here. So when we talk about the daily winning products, so Adserea has a straightforward feature for finding daily winning products. So how does it work? If you want to find information about, let's say, a specific product, you can simply add an image URL or product name, and Adserea will, they have an AI, an artificial intelligence component that will find it for you. Besides, if you don't have a specific product you want to find, you can simply click the Find New Products button, and Adserea displays the daily winning products for you. Next, once you click the Find New Products button, another window will pop up where you can see the list of products, and if you want to go further and find product insights and analytics, you click the button AI Analyze. Okay, so this is kind of fine. You have another feature here, that's the winning product analytics, so we kind of like that too. So basically here, once you clicked on AI Analyze on the specific products, the tool renders all the necessary analytics. Thus, the metrics you can see are cost price, sale price, profit margin, number of suppliers, number of vendors, number of stores selling the product, strength index, engagement and analytics. You have engagement, marketing, audience insights, videos from product usage on TikTok, for example. You have sales analysis, competition analysis. So you have a very granular sort of data piece. You have a granular set of data pieces here. And so furthermore, the sales analysis is pretty impressive too. So you can see all the important insights for specific products like average monthly sales. You have average price, average monthly revenue. You have average rating. You have opportunity score, order statistics, monthly, daily, customer distribution map, and supplies list. So this is kind of important to see. Okay, you have to think about what really matters for you, right? You want to basically use the tool, because when you have a tool that has an all-in-one solution, a holistic solution, you have to pick and choose. Otherwise, you'll be confused before you know it, because it's just too much, But you got to be very clear of what you want. When we think about Adserea, they actually have hand-picked winning products also. What we love here is that if you want to, let's say, like the Adserea tool in our view makes it a lot easier for you to find winning products. The hand-picked winning products tool helps you search products by name and also by specific product niche. So its product directory is updated daily. So it's more likely that you will find your winning products here, okay? And the thing is, you have to have a strategy. Again, go back to what I said. So the thing is, once you click on the See Product Details button, you enter the product analysis again. And so here you have insights about the product's cost of goods sold. You have a sales price. You have profit margin, Google Trends data, product source, number of orders, engagement analysis, product description, videos, and more. So what's more, you also get information about the audience you should target. So we're talking about the geography and also the geography, but also the psychology of those users, right? And one thing I want to say also is that you don't need a calculator or formula to measure your profit margin. Basically, the Adserea tool has already done it for you. For every product you're interested in, they will tell you like what kind of profit you can really expect. You also have the live product spy that we found very interesting. So this is a one-of-a-kind Adserea product spy tool that focuses on displaying the most recent goods that are added to a retailer or retailers' stores. So therefore, this might be useful for locating untapped items that dropshipping stores are only now testing. So hence, since dropshipping is so competitive these days, speed is essential. So using this Adserea tool, you can search products based on product names or list products in a specific niche. So this is really what it is. It can go really fast too, though. So once you get the products list, you can see information about when the product is published, on which platforms, on which dropshipping stores, sales, traffic rank, and more. So all this data help you choose the most profitable products for you, since you can see whether you have a low or high competition, the product selling, the prices, and more from a single page, okay? And this is actually called the Adserea. This is, in our view, the live product spy is one of the best Adserea product spy tools, hands down. This is really, really good. I want to talk to you about the store finders. So we have the store finder. So this feature is really popular right now. Like the name says, it's a store finder. But what can you do? So first you use the filter by platform and you choose a specific e-commerce platform. So Adserea has a huge choice of platforms. For example, let's say you choose Shopify. Next, you select filter by age. You can select the store age that is relatively new, like 3 to 6 months, or a little bit older, like 1 to 2 years. And let's say you choose like less than 6 months. Further, if you already have built a brand over a specific niche platform, you can also choose a specific niche category, or if not, just leave it. Then you can also filter by store monthly revenue, by language, specific store tag, and country. Last, you can click on filter results and the tool displays its results based on the required filters and metrics. So it is what it is. So now keep in mind that most of the dropshippers that we advise in our business, or that we have seen, they use this spy tool, this ad spy tool, to search for winning products specifically over TikTok. Now, if you ask yourself how we can help you with this matter, consider that there is filtering by specific store tag. Then you can choose trending on TikTok. However, you can choose any other social media too. That's not a problem. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. And to sum it all up, just take a look at you want to pay attention to the kind of results you have. And then you have also the store analyzer. So as the name implies, the Adserea tool helps you analyze a specific store, So this is kind of cool. What we love about Adserea is the way they name their features is that it's very self-explanatory. Like you know exactly what it does, and so basically you simply enter a specific store URL. For example, you can enter the URL of some Shopify store, and so then this ad spy tool, ad spy tool renders all for you all the important information about the store. So things like store description, you have estimated monthly sales, you have a e-com store rank. Let me just drink some water, please. All right, so you have the Shopify rank, the category rank, you have the social profile engagements, you have the latest added products, you have the bestseller products. So you do have like a constellation of details that is very great. Another key feature that you find in Adserea is actually the audience builder. We love that a lot also. And audience builder tool is kind of cool because you can actually select your niche or category to generate a list of prospective Facebook ad targets. And so Adserea provides data on Instagram hashtags and related hashtags if you prefer Instagram influencers over Facebook. For example, you can actually, again, it depends on your product. You can choose like the beauty products keywords, and you will see that the audience builder will display the audience related to the kind of keywords you have, their interest level on Facebook. And then you can try the same thing on Instagram. Remember that Facebook actually has 1.5 billion people. And so your ad might potentially be shown to those people. It depends on what kind of budget you are trying to put into, okay? And so the audience builder is really cool. And the thing is that when we talk about Adserea, you have like bonus features. You have other features that are kind of cool too. And you have the TikTok spy tool. So using this tool can help you search products on TikTok based on several metrics. Hence, these metrics help you to specify exactly what you're looking for and find it much quicker. So this is kind of cool. Then you have the Adserea blog. And the Adserea blog supports dropshippers by giving them a lot of valuable information about how to keep up with their dropshipping business, just like dropshipping, other websites do. Okay, like Shopify, you have like Shopify, you have Doba, you have dropshipping.com. You have a lot of players, and so there are a lot of blog posts to read and educate yourself if you ever have any question or anything to ask for. So overall, when you think about the key features, when you think about Adserea, the key features include daily winning products, winning product and analytics. You have a handpicked winning products. You have a live product spy. You have store finder. You have store analyzer. You have audience builder. And then if we were to add those, I would say those two other bonus features, you have the TikTok spy tool. But you also have the Adserea blog. So Adserea blog, this can be very interesting, especially if you are in an industry that actually favors learning, continuous learning. Now, the question is, if you want to find untapped winning products on Adserea, how do you proceed? So first, you want to log into the Adserea platform. And once you do, their homepage will display. Then on the upper left corner, right next to the search bar, you want to click on the three horizontal lines, and the sidebar menu will appear on the left side. Next, once the sidebar menu appears, you want to choose the live product spy category. So the live product spy tool will display very quickly. Now you just want to follow up carefully on what what we have described so far. Okay, so once the live product spy tool displays, just choose the niche you're interested in. So you can choose anything that really works for you. And once you choose, just make sure that you follow the steps. And because what will happen here is that the Adserea tool will give you a specific analysis of the winning products, like profit metrics, number of suppliers, the number of vendors, number of stores selling the products, the top sellers, the strength index, the engagement analysis like engagement, marketing, audience insights. You have videos from product usage, can be on TikTok, for example. You have sales analysis and so on and so forth. You also have competition analysis. So it's one of those things that are really important. So if you want to find, let's say you want to find a winning product with Adserea quickly, you just have to make sure that you use the store finder feature. It's not like you actually skip all the other tools which are specifically for finding winning products, but their hand-picked winning products is really kind of cool because it gives you the info real fast. And this is what you need sometimes. You really want to, have something very fast. And so you can filter by demographics. You can filter by revenue. Yeah, you can say I want a store that actually makes revenue between $5,000 and $250,000, because this kind of tells you a little bit more about the financial heft of a specific store, and this could be great for lead engagement purposes down the road if you're not in dropshipping in general, but you just want to you're like one of those agencies that surround the dropshipping business trying to offer product. So the opportunity is everywhere. And one thing I want to say here also is that in terms of pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen. So basically, Adserea has 3 pricing plans starting at $19 to $25 to $30. The prices might change by the time you watch this show because it might take a while. And so each pricing plan has a different features available. So this is kind of important to really to think about it, to have it in mind. Well, when we talk about Adserea alternatives, you have a lot of players on the market. You have Adserea, you have Sell the Trend, you have Ali Shark, you have Ecom Hunt. And the thing is that those players, and we have reviewed each of those players on other shows, really in depth. And one thing I want to say here is that you do have the option. You have the option. So when you go with Adserea, you have you can find daily winning products, something that Adserea does, but Sell the Trend doesn't do it. Ali Shark and Ecom Hunt do have that for winning product analytics. All those 4 players, they offer that. For live product spy, only Adserea is offering this because Sell the Trend, Ali Shark, and Ecom Hunt doesn't offer that. For Store Finder, Adserea offers that, but the Sell the Trend does not. And Ali Shark also does, but AliExpress.com and eBay, that Ecom Hunt only is available for AliExpress and eBay only. Okay, and one thing I want to say for a store analyzer, you have Adserea is there, very strong. You have you Sell the Trend and Ali Shark don't do that. You have Ecom Hunt also, they offer that. For TikTok ads, only Adserea actually does that, and you can analyze product from any TikTok video. So only Adserea does it. The other players do not do it. You have Shopify product data, and all those 3 players, except Ecom Hunt, offers that for engaging video ads. For example, so you have all three video categories, including except Sell the Trend, offer that. And so you also have the influencer engagement calculator. That is a tool that only Sell the Trend offers. The other 3, they don't know what to do when it comes to that particular. They would rather just hang out for now. So, but we'll see. And you have also if you're thinking about influencer engagement calculator, I think I already said that. For full product descriptions, in case I didn't say it, for influencer engagement calculator, you basically have Adserea doesn't offer that, but the Sell the Trend offers that. And the Sell the Trend is the only one offering that. In our view, this is really humbling, but hey, it is what it is. For engagement, for let's say for full product descriptions, all four players offer that. For Facebook audience targeting, all four products, including except one, offer that service, and that one is Ali Shark. And for let's say for customer service, basically all 4 offer a 24/7 service. For the Chrome extension, only those 3, Adserea does not have that extension. And for one-click order fulfillment, you have only Ecom Hunt actually offers that.